Understanding the word Quarto. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a unique word with a rich history, Quarto. This term might be new to some of you, but by the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also its significance in the English language. Let's dive in. Quarto originates from the Latin word for fourth. This might initially sound unrelated, but let's see how it connects to the term's actual meaning. In the world of book printing and binding, quarto refers to a page size. It's achieved by folding a full sheet of paper twice, resulting in 4 leaves, or 8 pages. Imagine a regular sheet of paper. When folded in half once, it gives 2 leaves. Fold it again, and you get a quarto. This size is larger than the common paperback but smaller than most hardcovers. Quarto isn't just a technical term in printing. It also has historical significance. Many of Shakespeare's plays, for instance, were first published in quarto format. These early editions are essential for scholars and historians because they offer insights into how the plays might have been performed during Shakespeare's time. Knowing a word's meaning isn't enough. Using it in context is crucial. Here are some sample sentences. The old library had many books in quarto format. I found an original quarto edition of Shakespeare's Hamlet in the attic. For my thesis, I'm comparing the quarto and folio versions of certain plays. There you have it. The word quarto is more than just a term from the printing industry. It's a bridge to history, literature, and much more. We hope you've enjoyed learning about it. And remember, every word has a story. Keep exploring, and happy learning!